Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to set 3-button navigation bar on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL device. By default, you can see the full screen gesture on your latest Pixel 10 series or any other Pixel device. If you want to set the 3-button navigation bar on your home screen, follow this tutorial. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down until the system. Here you can see the system about one Pixel 10 device. Tap on a system. Here you can find the option navigation mode. Tap on it. Now here you can see the gesture navigation by default set. At the bottom you can see the 3-button navigation bar. So when you select the 3-button navigation bar, you can see remove the full screen gesture and you can see the back button, home button and recent button. So select the 3-button navigation on the Pixel 10 series. Now you can see the back button, home button and recent application. Tap on this option to show the recent application on your device. Tap on this button to home screen and back button on your device. Now this is the back button, this is the recent application, this is the home button. So quite easy to set the 3-button navigation bar on your device. So you can see the circle to search, touch and hold the home button on or the navigation handle to search using the your circle to search feature. So to use the circle to search feature in the 3-button navigation, just long press the home screen and circle any object you want to find the related product or related search, and it will automatically identify the related search. So quite easy to use the circle to search using the 3-button navigation bar or a full screen gesture on your device. So just select the navigation mode and select the gesture navigation or a 3-button navigation you want to use on your Google Pixel 10 series. That's it. If you like it, share it. Also hype it if you like this video. Thank you for watching this.